Dear students, today Habiba and Samina are eating assessment and assessment. Okay, I think their performance will be so much better today. Okay, who will act as assessment? Your assessment. Thank you. Are you customer? Yes. Okay, let's start. Everybody, have a look.
Assalamu alaikum ma'am, welcome to our vegetable shop. Walaikum salam, thank you. How can I help you ma'am? Actually I went to buy some vegetable. Which type of vegetable do you want to buy? I went to buy some potato. Do you have potato? I have potato, best quality, have a look. Oh, great. How much is the price of per kg potato? The per kg potato price is 50 taka. Actually, the potato price is very high. No, it's no. My potato is very good. That's why this price is too high. Actually, I want to give 40 taka per kg potato. Will you do? You have a vegetable? No, I don't give you potato in this price. You give me 45 taka per kg. Do you want to buy in this price? Okay. Give me 5 kg potato. Okay, ma'am. Here your potato. Do you want to buy anything? Yes. I want to buy some cauliflower. No, ma'am, I am extremely sorry because today I have no cauliflower. If you buying them, I will tomorrow. It is very bad for me because cauliflower is my favorite vegetable. Do you want to buy anything? No, thanks. Okay, ma'am, your all vegetable price is 300 taka. Please give me this taka. Here is 500 taka. Okay, ma'am, this is your return money 200 taka. Thank you, ma'am. See you again. Welcome back.
Thank you very much. Give a big hand for them. Their performance is so much great. So much great. Thank you very much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today in my spoken class, my student Junaid and Masood, they are acting as a vegetable salesman and a customer. Today, who will act as a salesman?
I am salesman and he is a customer.
Your salesman, your customer.
Yes.
Okay, let's start your performance.
Assalamu alaikum sir. Welcome to our vegetable shop.
Walaikum assalam. Thank you.
How can I help you?
I want to buy some vegetable.
What type vegetable do you want to buy?
I want some potatoes. Do you have potatoes?
Yes, I have a best quality potatoes. Have a look.
How much is the price of per kg potatoes?
50 taka per kg potatoes.
Its price is too high.
No sir, actually my potatoes quality is so great. That's why its price is too high.
Okay. I want to give 40 taka per kg potatoes.
No sir, please give me 45 taka per kg potato.
Okay, give me 5 kg potatoes.
Here is your potato. Do you want to buy anything else?
I want to buy some tomato. Do you have tomato?
Yes sir, I have a best quality tomato. Have a look.
How much is the price of per kg tomatoes?
Yeah, per kg potato. Yeah, per kg tomato price 50 taka.
It is too high.
Okay sir, give me 45 taka per kg tomatoes.
Okay, give me 1 kg tomatoes.
Okay, here is your tomatoes. Do you buy anything else?
I want to buy some ladies finger. Do you have ladies finger?
I am extremely sorry sir. Today I have no ladies finger. Do you want to buy? Yeah, buy. I want to bring it tomorrow.
It is very bad for me because ladies finger is my favorite vegetable. Do you have coriander?
Yes, I have a best quality coriander.
Yes. How much is the price of coriander?
One piece 10 taka.
Okay, give me 1 piece coriander.
Here is your coriander. Do you want to buy anything else?
No, thanks.
Okay, your total price is 250 taka.
Take it 250 taka.
Okay, thank you sir, welcome again.
Thank you.
In my practical class, Zubaida is acting as a salesman. On the other hand, Stravoni is acting as a customer. Let's start.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am. Welcome to our vegetable shop. Alaikum assalam. Thank you. How can I help you? I want to buy some vegetables. Sure. Which vegetable do you want to buy? Actually, I want to buy some potatoes. Do you have potatoes? Of course, I have. Potato quality is so good. Oh, great. How much is the price of per kg potatoes? 50 taka per kg potato. Actually, it is price is too high. My potato quality is so good. Please 40 taka per kg give me potatoes. Please 45 taka. 45 taka give me. Okay, give me 1 kg potato. Here is the potato. Do you anything else? Yes, I have. Do you have cauliflower? I am so sorry, ma'am. Today I have no cauliflower. Anything else? It is very bad. For me because cauliflower is my favorite vegetable. Then other. Do you have tomato and carrot? Sure. Yes. Yes, my I have tomato and tomato. How much is the price of per kg tomato and carrot? My tomato per kg is 30 taka and tomato per kg 30 taka. Okay, give me 1 kg tomato and carrot. Here is the tomato and carrot. Anything else? No thanks. How much is total price of tomato and carrot? No, vegetables. Total price is 105 taka. Have you 110 taka? Please return 5 taka. You return 5 taka. You return 5 taka. Thank you. Come again. See you. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Give a big hand for them for the better performance. অনেক ভালো হয়েছে, ধন্যবাদ। আমরা সবাই পারতেছি।